Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to log out of your YouTube account on Android. So let's get into it. Let's begin by navigating to the YouTube app on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, locate and tap on your profile picture at the very bottom right corner. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right to open settings. In the settings menu, select account settings. A new page will appear on the screen. Here, choose manage accounts. Scroll down to the end of the page and tap on Google. If you have multiple Google accounts, select the one that you want to log out from YouTube. At the bottom of this page, tap on more options and then select remove. This action will log out your account from YouTube. And that's it. This is how you can log out of your YouTube account on Android. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.